Hisense American fridge freezer. This is fridge side. This one is a water and ice dispenser. As you can see here, some screws and all that. This is fridge side door, and then this one is from the bottom to top. Even on the fridge side door, as you can see on the bottom, there's the scratches. And as you go along with the freezer door, as you can see a little bit there, the chip. This one is a non-plumbing water and ice dispenser. This is freezer side. And this is fridge side. This is your water tank for the ice and water dispensing. As you can see, everything there. And this is the right side. Some scratches in the corner. There's some more there. And the rest is clean. And then there's the left side. There's nothing major on this side, just a small scratch or something like that.